Hello everybody, in this session we're going to talk about how to import styles from another drawing and purge out unused styles from an existing file. So let's say for instance I have a style from a particular drawing template or another drawing file that I would like to bring into my current drawing. We can easily do that. So let's say I've got a drawing called Project Example and I've got another drawing, as you remember, called Styles. And in that styles drawing, in our last session, we made a point label style called point number, elevation, and description. Well, I really like that style, and I'd really like to get that style into the project example file, but I'm too lazy to make it from scratch. So I'm going to steal it from the styles folder. And that's very easy to do. All I do is open up my current drawing that is missing the style, and in this case that's Project Example, and then I'm going to buzz over to the Manage tab, and in the Manage tab you'll see a section called Styles, and in that little area there you'll see an import button. So you'll have to know where your files exist as far as where you're going to pull that existing style from. So remember the folder where it resides, and click the import button, and I'm just going to say okay. It's going to want to save this drawing, so I'm just going to click save, and then I'm going to go import, and then I'm going to find that styles file and select it, say open, and then it'll list all the styles in the list here. So it'll bring in all the styles that are missing from this file that currently reside in the styles file, but I don't need them all, so I'm going to uncheck everything. I'm going to uncheck any files or styles that need to be deleted, and I just want to pick the style that I'm interested in. So that happens to be a point style, and it happens to be a point label style. And you'll see here it lists the style that's missing. So in this case, it looks like in the styles file I have pretty much most of the styles that reside there except for this new one that I made previously. So I'm going to select that one on, and I'm going to say OK, and it'll warn me that there'll be any styles might be overwritten if there's another one with that name. So I'm going to say OK. I'm pretty confident that there isn't, and I'll wait for that import to happen, and it'll give me a little prompt here and tell me how many styles were updated. So if there's any styles that are tied to that point reference style or rely on that style for other types of more parent styles, they will be brought in there with it. So I can say OK, and then if I go into my settings tab, open up points, label styles, I should see my new style that got imported. Excellent. Now if I need to remove any styles from a drawing, I can do that easily by obviously selecting on a style and going delete. Please note that if you try to delete a style that's being used in the file, there's no delete option, so you'll have to swap that out. So if you do need to delete a style called something like elevation and description, and it's got a little yellow triangle there, that means it's being used somewhere in the drawing, you cannot delete it. So what you could do is you could right click and go replace with and change that with another style, and then you can go ahead and delete that that style that you wanted to delete. If you need to remove a whole bunch of styles at once, it's going to be easier to use the purge button. So you can go in and click purge, find the styles that you want to get rid of, there's a lot of them in there, and then say OK, and they will be removed from the drawing. Remember that they cannot be used for any current object or any setting, and if they are, they will not be listed in this file. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.